Welcome to Complete K-12 Essentials. Like fractions. Today we will learn how to add and subtract like fractions. Like fractions have the same denominators. Adding fractions with the same denominators is easy, as all you need to do is add the numerators. Since the denominators are the same, the denominator of the answer stays the same. The final result is 2 over 3. The equation below displays the concept just discussed in an algebra form. You will encounter this format in future videos. Okay, so let's look at another problem. 2 over 6 plus 4 over 6. We add the numerators 2 and 4 straight across. Since the denominators are the same, the denominator of the answer stays the same. Our initial answer is 2 plus 4 over 6. But we are not done yet. Adding, we get 6 over 6, which is a whole number. Our final answer is 1. Our third example is 3 over 4 plus 2 over 4. Add the numerators. Since the denominators are the same, the denominator of the answer stays the same. Our sum is 5 over 4, which is an improper fraction, so we will rename the result using a whole number. Since 4 over 4 equals 1, a whole number, our final result is written as 1 1/4. Subtraction. Subtracting like fractions is the same concept as addition. Consider this problem. 6 over 8 minus 2 over 8. Subtract the numerators. 6 minus 2. Bring the same denominator across. Rename the numerator. Find the number that both the numerator and the denominator can be divided by, and simplify to obtain the final result. Addition and subtraction of unlike fractions will be covered in the next video.
Well, that was fun. Learning is always fun.
Thanks for choosing a safe learning place. If you are new to this channel, help us out and like this video. Also, subscribe to the channel. We publish new content every Tuesday morning.